The biggest eater. Biggest eater, probably one of our biggest players, Halani Aulika. Story goes that he killed a horse in Tonga and ate it all by himself.
Siale, Piutua, worst singer ever. Well, you think you can sing, but man, that's why Leki's losing all his hair at the back.
The worst roommate. Okay. To be one of our oldest members, Hale Tipole. And the reason for that, a lot of boys say when they room with him, they say his windmill has come off.
Even my nana against that better than him.
The biggest joker, I have to say, in our team, will be this guy, our captain, Nili Latu. And the reason why, because he's got the most gold teeth, and when he jokes around, man, his bling bling when he smiles and laughs.
Aleki, he only sidesteps by running straight, so it's easy to be a support player. Cheers.
Person that's always late, always slowing everything down, late to meetings, Aleki Latu, our oldest player in our team. I think the nuts and bolts have come loose. Thank you, and love you, Mom, Bloss and kids. Shout out to you. Hey, I think this is going on YouTube, I think.
Yeah, it is, yeah.
Yeah.